Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. iChannel. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Morepe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 7, Siwelele 4. But
unjani Mapolo?
Shabujan Veg.
Ngishapho cha.
Uyibona njani igame namhlanje?
Igame namhlanje bekuyidili likaMkhipheni ngamagoli la.
Amagoli, exactly.
Bekubukiswana nje bekuphakiswa nje amagoli ngapha nangapha. Ungafuna ukuthi bengena ama-goalkeeper bekoronga.
Bathi netball.
Kodwa I'm so disappointed ngeteam yami. Iteam yami iyadlala ne. And Sundowns is capable of scoring 10 goals. At any given game, you can ask Al Ali, you can ask Powerline and the rest.
Everyone,
We are capable of scoring goals. We are Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
With Minnows or with the Giants, we don't care.
Doesn't matter.
The problem today, it was our defense. Our defense was very poor today. Was very poor. That 7 goals was enough to seal this game and go to Mbombela, score 5 goals and win the cup and win the league.
That's it, yeah.
You see. So unfortunately, we considered 4 goals. And 4 goals, money. It's like very 3-0, as that guy said. It's like we won 3-0. That 7 doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, I'm Mamelodi Sundowns. On the 12th of May, we're going to Mbombela.
Yeah.
We must score 8 goals there. Mark this.
And don't concede.
Yeah. This is Mamelodi Sundowns. We must score. We can score 8 goals. In Mbombela, and not concede. We believe in this team. That's the problem. Our backline sometimes is a little bit shaky, and then or even our goalkeepers, like especially Ronwen. Sometimes we were too complacent. We were too complacent. I was too relaxed, man. General Police Chiefs. He was too complacent. Because he was too soft and then being under pressure, too casual. Yeah, too casual. Yeah, what I'm trying to say is too casual. And too complacent at the same time. We won. So, opponent and then Chiefs Albambi ball score. Of which we don't like it. Sometimes release the ball, man. When there is pressure, release the ball. We're gonna regroup and then smack. It's right. So in the shy, but anyway, we believe in this team. Sundowns siya Mbombela so sha 8 goals lapha yathi. Namhlanje ontombi kayise baya block namhlanje. No draw, 1-1.
Thank you, Mamelodi.